Hello everyone, I am AI Zhu from Warren Doors and Windows. The much-anticipated South China new base of Warren Doors and Windows has now entered the final completion stage. As an important part of Warren Doors and Windows' dual-directional production layout across North and South China, the new South China base has undergone a comprehensive upgrade tailored to the South China market in terms of product strength, delivery capability, and quality standards. Before its official unveiling, let me show you around first. Entering the factory area, directly ahead of us is our brand new operations center and a panoramic product showroom. In the future, our full series of high-performance products from Warren Doors and Windows will be centrally displayed here, including top-selling window models specially suited for South China's climate. The newly developed products for the Guangzhou Building Decor Fair in July this year will also be launched here for simultaneous experience. The area on this side is our purpose-built product R&D Laboratory and Testing Center. All climate tests regarding window structure, ceiling systems, and thermal insulation coefficients will be conducted here. To withstand the complex environment of South China, such as frequent rain, high humidity, extreme heat, intense sun exposure, and frequent typhoons, all products must pass rigorous testing before entering thousands of households. Behind us is our core production area. Let's go, I'll take you to check it out further. Here's our profile storage area. All materials used are high-precision raw primary aluminum, ensuring that the profiles possess high strength and durability, right from the source. Similarly, regarding the color selection for door and window products, we are equipped with high-end custom color coding lines operating across both North and South China, capable of achieving hundreds of high-grade home decoration colors. At the same time, this year, we will also launch high-end, customized porcelain and onidized texture color series to provide you with richer choices. Here's the fully upgraded, intelligent new production line of the new South China base, which is currently in the commissioning phase. The entire line will achieve full closed-loop production, from profile raw materials to finished product warehousing and quality inspection. The entire process requires no manual handling or manual intervention with full process digital control. This results in higher product precision, faster efficiency, and more stable quality. A set of high-quality doors and windows that can accompany a family for a long time never relies on excellence in just a single stage. Instead, it is the combined result of authentic raw materials, standardized precision craftsmanship, top-tier manufacturing equipment, and a fully optimized supply chain. Therefore, this new South China base truly puts all four core advantages into practice, crafting high-performance, high-quality, and highly aesthetic doors and windows for every home. Warren Windows and Doors South China new manufacturing base will officially meet you in August. Let us look forward together to the grand reveal of the new Foshan factory.